Hey my loves, it's Bree Simone here. So we are doing our skincare routine. So first we are using the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. So I'm just going ahead and working that into my skin. When you're using a cleansing balm, always remember it's dry hands, dry face. So I did go ahead and rinse that off. Now I'm going in with my Skin Script Raspberry Refining Cleanser, and I'm just working that into my skin, really getting my skin all nice and clean. After I go ahead and rinse my face off, I do only use paper towels. I do not use any towels. So here I did go ahead and use a Q-tip and some micellar water to try to get off the makeup glue that I had on my eyes. Not makeup glue, eyelash glue that I had on my eyelids. And now I'm using my Skin Script Cucumber Toner. I'm spritzing that all over my face, and then I'm using my mini fan to go ahead and dry that down. Next, I go in with the Good Molecules Daily Brightening Serum, and I go ahead and I'll work that into my skin as well. Always remember when you're working in products to work them upwards. And now I'm going in with another Good Molecules product, the Discoloration Correcting Serum. This serum actually works very well. And now I'm just being a little extra and going in with the Versed Out of Sight Dark Spot Gel. This is a kojic and turmeric acid gel, and it also helps with dullness and dark spots, aka hyperpigmentation. And then now I am going in with another skin script product, the Light Aloe Moisturizer. I am also working that into my skin, and now I'm using the 2-finger method to apply my sunscreen. And for the sunscreen, I am using the Tula Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen Gel with SPF 30. It protects from UVA and UVB protection. I go ahead and work that all over my face, my neck, and on my ears as well, anywhere where I feel like the sun will hit my face. Always remember to use sunscreen after your skincare routine, whether you just wash your face and use toner and moisturizer. Always use sunscreen. It helps with dark spots and hyperpigmentation. And here we have it, a nice, clean, glowy, scrumptious skin. I love you guys so much. Bye. Thanks for watching.